What's up, guys? So we had a little issue yesterday. We found out there's some clock in the head, so we just decided to swap the motor. It was really last minute, but it's almost done, so it should be ready soon. Alright, she's ready! Alright, made it to Irwindale. Here we go! Need a tow?
Yeah, for sure, because the wheels like this.
Not a good start.何?
どうしようかね。
負けたらまずいな。勝つよ、パパは。
勝つ。
Alright, car's ready. My practice is a little bit shorter. That broke the arm, but luckily it happens at the burnout box, so I didn't have to crash into the wall or anything. And it's not the 32 battle, so we have time to fix it. But it's cutting close.
Here we go, and of course, Yoshihara tried and true that turn 14 turbocharged LS Super BRZ. Good initiation there from Yoshihara. Oh, Farouk goes hard in the wall. Farouk slams the SGK S14. Yoshihara still has to continue through the entirety of the course in order to advance. A terrible turn of events there for Farouk Kawai.
Just had a battle with Farouk in top 32. When I was leading, he hit the wall and he couldn't fix it, so I got moved on. Kind of lucked out, but at the same time, we had to fix the car in the practice session, and my crew worked really hard and make it fixed on time. So I think we earned that win. Moving on to top 16 and going up against Taylor Hall again. He's driving really well, so it's gonna be a hard one, but will do my best.
An OG since 2004. Many a tires turned and burned here at Irwindale Speedway. It is the Turn 14 pilot, Ineos Oil Falcon Tires. It is Slide or Daijiro Yoshihara. Here we go, Dai Yoshihara, the Turn 14 distribution. Falcon Tires, Subaru BRZ initiates into that first outside zone. Look at that. Quickly turn away from Taylor Hull. Taylor Hull had a great battle earlier today. That with Rome Charpentier. Now coming through that first inside clip into that second outside zone. Some wavering there from Dai Yoshihara. Taylor Hull now, you can see, he does mimic the angle, but would like to see closer proximity. Both them tied to that second front clip. Now bringing it into that last outside zone. Now remember, they can exceed that white line. Just don't get into the cones. Formula Drift and your least favorite track. Think about that as we see Taylor Hull. He's going to lead in that comp cams. Achilles Tire Cadillac ATSV. Dai Yoshihara. Look at this. He's pulling him away. Woo! Shakes his finger at him. Not today. Look at Taylor Hull. Massive angle. High on the bank. Taylor Hull is pulling up in major fashion. That second outside zone. He knows he's going against a former champ. He needs to bring it, and he's doing that. Ryan, we are seeing an amazing run from Taylor Hull. Let's see how he handles this last outside zone. Gets all the way out there. Look at that, riding the line. Absolutely mastercraft.
Alright, so I got knocked out in top 16 versus Taylor Hull. He's been driving really well. Even last event, I knocked him out, but it was really close battle. And this time he got it. I made a bunch of mistakes when I was following. Yeah. It's a rough one. I don't feel good about my driving today. But again, you know, we got another chance in Sunday, which is only day after tomorrow. So, yeah, we'll do my best. Morning, guys. So today is the final day of Formula Drift 2020 at Irwindale. The car is pretty much ready, but we need to have a little last minute maintenance, then we should be good.
Yoshihara, Ken Gushi, the OG versus Slide or Daijiro. All right, Dai out front, Ken Gushi in that chase position. Ken Gushi, he's had a lot of gremlins as well as Dai Yoshihara keeps it high on the bank. And Ken Gushi in that chase position, that rowdy energy, Toyota racing, Toyota GR Supra, chasing him down. Look at that, woo, we got some banging. Knocking on Dai's door, not heaven's door, as we bring it across that final outside zone, filling all of it, and across the finish line. Goosh will lead, the OG. Here we go. Send it. Come on, fellas. Ken Gushi initiates on the bank. Dai Yoshihara give himself some room, but now gains that proximity. Lower on the bank as Dai Yoshihara. Ken Gushi, something to prove as Dai makes a major correction there. Coming off the bank and a quick little transition and flip. Oh, and Dai straightens out. A big correction once again. Dai Yoshihara really fighting and struggling with the vehicle. You have to think that something is afoot. Oh, another correction on that transition. Ryan Sage, we're looking at Dai making mistakes in that chase position. Ken Gushi putting his car in all the right places. Oh, man.
Just had a battle with Ken. Had a great lead and had a great follow up until transitioning. I don't want to make it sounds like an excuse, but for some reason my car lost the boost, which never happened this week. So I straightened up, like there's no power, just no spooling up. So unfortunately I lost. I feel like I could have get that battle, but it is what it is. So, oh man, there's no chance to revenge till next year. So which just kind of sucks, but I will suck it up and regroup. Thanks for watching, guys. Are you going home? Because your dad just lost? Are you going home? No smiling.
Oh man.
So what went wrong, Chris?
If you wanted to kiss, you turn the camera around. Well, see, the driver decided to fix it.
Okay.
No, car was running good. Driver was actually doing good. And
I take that.
actually,
For
basically, when he came into the inner clip or the inner bank, he lost power, and nothing seems to be visually wrong with the car. But we pulled the data, and looking at it, it seems like we have an issue with the map sensor not reading. So then it didn't give fuel enrichment, so then we didn't get boost, so then he didn't get power, so then he sucked and lost.
So yeah, the result doesn't change, but what do we need to do?
Yeah, man, I don't really have much of an answer other than that for you, because everything visually is still here, everything is still tight, and you know this car, if it has a small air leak, it makes enough power to overcome that.
Yeah.
So that's obviously not an issue.
So for sure the sensor.
Oh yeah, 100%. So that didn't provide the ECU with the proper data to increase the fuel for a boost. So therefore the car didn't make any more power to create the boost that you need to make the overall power.
Oh man, it's really heartening that I'm not there, I'm here. And especially nobody's around me. It's a very weird feeling. But I guess at least I get to watch the battles and enjoy it.